Hello and welcome to a beautiful Sunday. Me and my beautiful wife are going to build a dry stone bench. We're very lucky and we acquired some lovely stone from a very lovely neighbour. So what we're going to do is basically just use this little area. It was just a little bed with some paving slabs here, with a trellis going along here. So we've just ripped it all out and we just want to put a lovely little bench in here. So anyway, without further ado, let's crack on and let's wipe this bench in. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly, we've got a base, so it just sort of curves there from the shed to the post, straight from there to there, and then just a nice little right angle there. So yeah, it's a lovely dead flat base now. So got it all hearted, got it all packed in. As you can see there, the shed base is there. So what I'm going to do now is obviously build away from the shed, because obviously I don't want weight going on the shed. Them slabs I put in were just ripped up from this path, which I put in yesterday. Because these slabs are actually where this bench is going to go. They were just running up the side of the shed light, so I've swapped them over basically. So I've just dug them up. They have got a load of old mortar attached to them, but you know what I mean, it's strong enough for the base light. So yeah, I just thought I'd use them, because what's going to happen here is I'm going to bring the level up with soil, put a load of membrane down and teram, and then I'm going to put a load of blue slate down, just obviously where your feet will go. But yeah, like I say, it's just a way of using up with stone. Like, you know, it's just such a shame, because you know, a lot of stone gets chucked away and that. So when my neighbour offered it, I was like, yes please, it's just a good way of using it. But lovely jubbly. So like I say, I'm just going to keep building now, just trying to keep I'm going to try and keep the courses as sort of level as possible. But like I say, it's, you know, I want it looking really like rustic and really sort of rugged basically, but as long as it's strong, it's that's the main thing. Obviously nice and hearted. Always do the stand test, just jump up and down. But no, it's all good, it is all going good. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, let's go have a slurp of tea and let's crack on, try and get it done today. Well, I'm probably going to go about, I don't know, 3-4 times higher. So right, anyway, let's crack on. Beautiful, lovely jubbly. Right, one more course along there. then I'll start thinking about some big flat stones for the seats, like. But it is all going good. It is starting to look nice, actually. I love it. Well, yeah, it's getting a load of height in the back as well. What I'm doing with the back as well is not actually building. Oh, got stuck. Not actually building, obviously, up to the shed. Just sort of putting some really big rough ones at the back and then just filling in the middle. No, it's doing all right. Waste not, want not. Lovely jubbly. Let's crack on. Let's say one more course and then the lovely flat stones going on top of that. So, right, let's crack on. Boom! Look at that, eh? That's all right, isn't it? You know what? That stone was going to go to the tip, probably get bashed up for hardcore or something. New lease of life, eh? Lovely little seating area. Bit of a sun trap as well. I'm happy with that. Had a broken slab, which I just put on the back, just like so. That's just all dry. Like, it's actually quite comfortable. Probably sat on it, and yeah, no, like I say, it's just, you know, good little way to fill an area. Nice little simple project, you know, kept me busy for a couple of hours. Lovely jubbly, righty. I'm happy with that. Little dry stone bench, eh? All ready for the summer. Beautiful. Right, lovely jubbly. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in a bit.